So removing the ring is easy, just grab it and start pulling it out. The tough part is putting it back in. First, you'll see these 4 notches on the outside of the ring. When putting the sealing ring on, the orientation of these notches doesn't really matter, so don't worry about that. The concept is simple. You want to put this groove that runs around the sealing ring onto this thin ring that's on the Instant Pot's lid, and mine has a pretty tight fit. I'll put the sealing ring in and get it started. It's easy at first, but towards the end it's a bit challenging. I'll take my fingers and go around pushing the groove of the sealing ring onto the silver ring in the lid. Once I get to this point, it starts to require some force. And this last bit at the end, I really have to try to manipulate it to go all the way in. And finally, with enough pressure, it'll pop in place. You'll know if your sealing ring is on correctly as long as the groove is on the thin metal piece all the way around the lid, and you should be able to move it somewhat freely around. Like I said, mine seems like a bit of a challenge when I watch other people's videos, and they're able to get the sealing ring to go on with no effort. Mine is fairly new, so maybe it'll get better with time. Anyways, if you're also struggling with the sealing ring, I just wanted you to know that you're not alone. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.